Legacy. Tayuan mo.
Napapangalagaan ba ang ating OFWs at Missy? Actually, let me qualify it. Alright? Yung dating administrasyon, and I'm being very emphatic about this, no? When I say dati, yung alam naman natin na involved dun sa mga corruption. That's why I asked about the funds, no? Kasi na-involved yun dun sa anomalya. Hindi. We have enough laws. But ang problema dito is the implementation has failed. It failed because the funds have been diverted. Pero ngayon, nakikita ko, nasa gestation period tayo na nakikita nila yung pagkakamali, yung mga loopholes, at kino-correct nila. But as in everything that has gone through several years na talagang ganun yung state, napakahirap mong i-correct once and for all. I agree with Ma'am Toots that this should be looked at as a whole. No? Hanapin yung butas, hanapin yung mga weakest link, and also, we have to educate and we have to actually revitalize our domestic economy para hindi na hindi alis. Hindi na attempt dun sa mga offers na alam mo naman bogo.
Right. So dapat talaga. Dapat yung mga funds na nawawala, pansamantala lang. Dapat ibabalik nila agad.
Okay, please send us at least walang remittance pag kayo mag-Facebook or mag-Twitter. Saka tayuan niyo po at panindigan at gmail.com. Pinagbibili po namin ang jokes ni Jojo para makaibok kami sa OFW. Okay, 20 pesos sila panalula ko na tsaka niyan.
Ay, ako.
Kung may issue, may pagtatalunan, hindi makialam, tayuan mo at panindigan with Mr. Jojo A. and Iza Liton. This is Ida C. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Mabuhay po lahat ng ating OFW.
Yes, mabuhay, Jojo!
At Bobby ba yan? Bobby.